Hello friends, in today's episode we will talk about singleton design pattern and why this is important for you because it is the question that is asked again and again in interview. And why is that? Because this is the most important interview question which contain lots of concepts. So instead of asking you different multiple question, you will be asked only one question which will contain lot more concept which are related to memory, which are related to multi-threaded environment, which are related to handling difficult situations. So we'll today look at this design pattern, and it will consist of multiple videos, because in each video I will explain one or two concepts. So what the series will contain, it will contain how to create a very simple singleton class, and then we'll try to breach this singleton class with the help of different violation techniques, like through reflection, through cloning, or through serialization or deserialization. We'll look at the usages, how the singleton pattern or where the singleton pattern is used, how we can create singleton class, like through eager or early initialization, or through lazy initialization, or using enum. We'll also look at the technique where multiple threads try to compete and they create the problem for the singleton class. We'll look at the synchronization of the method. We'll look at the synchronization of the block, double checking locking, and also the volatile keyword. So this is what it will be about in multiple videos. So let's begin with this simple singleton class, where I have just created the instance of this class right in the beginning statically. So whatever is the static, whatever the initialization that is statically done is done only once. Like whenever this class will get loaded into the memory, this instance will be created. Simple and straightforward. And in order to uh, restrict the access, in order to restrict the creation of this class object, we just set the constructor to private so that it cannot be accessed outside. If it cannot be created outside of this class, so how can we get the object? So we'll just simply provide a public static method get instance, which will return the instance. This is the simplest technique, simplest way to create a singleton class and to provide a mechanism to create the object of this singleton class. And it is 100% thread safe, because this line is a very magical line, because it is a static, and it will only be executed once when this class is loaded into the memory. So please remember that singleton is the father of patterns. Singleton is mother of all interview questions. So this is very important. You just learn one new concept here, like when the class is loaded, when to execute something only once. And as far as the usage is concerned, it is mostly used in multi-threaded apps where multiple threads try to access something in a system. About the usage, where this is used, it is used in multi-threaded apps, in databases where you may have a utility or some class which is responsible for logging, and you just only want to create single instance of the logging. You may use it for the caching, and the thread pool is the perfect example where the singleton or multi-ton objects are used. So it can also be used configuration. Once you have loaded the configuration, you don't need to load again and again them. You can utilize its singleton object everywhere within the system. That's it for this episode. Let's go to the next episode, where we look at different other example how to create or how to breach this singleton class. Thank you. Take care. Bye.